Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Here's what you need to know about page 6 of the SSA 3368. These are probably the most important pages to show your previous and potentially upcoming medical appointments. Okay, so what are we looking at here? These are your previous medical appointments, places you've been for medical, you attended, you got medical treatment, that's what's going on. At the very top of section 8, you have 8C, name of facility. That's Florida Hospital. Let's just use that as an example. Name of healthcare professional. Let's say Dr. Stevens. Phone number, patient ID. Now, not all of you guys have patient ID. You don't have to include that if you don't have it. Mailing address, city, state, province, zip, postcode, country, blah, blah, blah. That just helps them go ahead and locate it online in case, you don't put down tons of information otherwise on the form. It also tells them where to send their 827, their HIPAA. Dates of treatment. Now, here's the important thing to remember. The SSA only gets charged about $16 to have all medical documents sent from a facility. Okay? Which is better than anybody else on earth because basically the SSA is part of the federal government, which means that they have a special little statute protecting them. What that means is that you can put very large, wide dates on this form. If you're not sure if you went to Parish Hospital in 2006 or 2007, it's easy. Put down 2000 to 2015. Go ahead and put a wide area there. Why? Because then the person signing up the HIPAA will put a large area and send in for all of those periods. Okay? You don't have to have exact dates, is what I'm telling you. And even if you do have exact dates, remember sometimes medical evidence with some of these CMS systems that the hospitals have, their patient systems or client management systems, will go ahead and receive medical documentation ahead of time in preparation for your visit, and will get logged in as being before basically your actual appointment. And when you submit for medical evidence, you won't get that additional medical evidence that they have on file for you. You'll just basically get whatever they saw you for. So that's a little tip and trick. Emergency room visits, overnight hospital stays. Who really? I don't even know why they built this form this way. They shouldn't have. They really shouldn't have. It's inefficient. But what they should have done here is just said, when were you at these places? Give general years. Why? Because then you can just request general years. You can do that on HIPAAs. There's no restriction for that. You just put month, date, and you put 1/1, 2000 to 1/1/2016 or whatever. Next thing, what medical conditions were treated or evaluated? What you need to know is that you need to put down anything and everything that you could have been treated for. Why? Because you're putting them on notice that you have these issues. Why? So that ultimately you can appeal later down the line and add additional evidence to the record even after your trial. What treatment did you receive for the above conditions? Okay, it could be anything. It could be medication, could be therapy, could be pain management, could be pills, this, that, whatever. It doesn't matter. Just put down whatever you were treated for, or what you received the treatment for. Okay, at the bottom, I don't really know why they have this section in here, because frankly the medical evidence is just going to include it anyways. But basically they're asking, hey, what kind of tests did you receive? It's nice, I think, for the SSA agent, specifically DDS rep, to go ahead and see, okay, well, they had this surgery here, they had this thing here, this thing here. Why? Because these tests all link up to certain listings. So if you receive certain types of tests, they're going to go, boom, okay, I need to look at this listing, and then they'll kind of go forward from there. That's how that works. Okay. For the sake of simplicity, page 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are all the same. So we're just going to go ahead and skip those, and the next video will be about page 11, okay, of the Social Security Administration's 3368. Thanks so much. You have a wonderful day, and we'll catch up from there. All right, bye-bye.